Hi everybody, welcome you all to English online class for class 7 and 8. Today your English teacher is going to teach you about basic English grammar. Let me ask you a question before I proceed with the concept. Is it necessary to know language before we study grammar? Yes, of course. Why? Because it is essentially important to know what language is before we study grammar. As we all know, there are many languages in the world. English is one of these languages. Learn a language for the purpose of communication. Further, more take a great pleasure from or in learning or speaking it. First of all, let us know what is language. Language, as a matter of common knowledge, is the medium of communication through which we can express our emotions, ideas, feelings, and knowledge to our fellow people. Now, let us know further what does alphabet mean. Language is mainly composed of letters which stand for signs or sound. The letter in a language are totally treated as the alphabet of the language. The number of letters are different from language to language. The alphabet in English is composed of, can you tell me how many letters? Yes, that is 26 letters, which are known as alphabet and are used either for printing or writing. Now let us know about forms of letters which are used for printing and writing. There are four forms. The first is print capital letters A to Z, print small letters A to Z, cursive capital letters A to Z, cursive small letters A to Z. Now this is all about the letters. Now let us know English alphabets are divided into two groups. They are, can you guess? Yes, they are vowels and consonants. As you know, there are 26 letters. Among those 26, the 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, are known as vowels. The next concept we know about is consonants. As you know, among 26, 5 are vowels. Then remain how many? Yes, 21. Those 21 letters of the alphabet are known as consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now this is all about vowels and consonants. Let us know the very important aspect which you need to know. That means you mean to know. Syllable. A word or a pair of words which consist of a vowel sound is known as syllable. For example, examination. This word consists of 4 syllables. That is A, I, O. These are the 4 syllables. Now next, let us know about word. A word is a basic element in every language. A word is a proper combination of letters in a particular language which are arranged in such a manner that they should represent either objects or ideas. There are more than one method by which the words are formed. For example, nation, country, world, poetry, etc. Now, we came to the main concept at last, right? That is nothing but grammar. Now, let us know exactly what does the term grammar means. It is a systematic study of scientific method which provide us information and guidance necessary to learn a language. It teaches us how a language is spoken and written correctly. So, it can be said that grammar is primarily concerned with the formation and classification of words, sentences, and their practical significance in daily life. Hope you all have understood these all basic concepts, and I need you all to know more about them in further classes by recapitulating yourself once I complete the class. Thank you, everybody.